Hi children, we are going to learn science class first lesson, plants around us. Plants around us. Already we learned types of plants. Types of plants. Types of plants. First one, trees one. Types of plants lo first one ఏంటన్నా trees. Second type, shrubs. Third type, herbs. Fourth type, climbers. Fifth type, creepers. These are the types of plants. What are they, Nana? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. These are the types of plants. First we discuss trees. Big and tall plants are called as wait Nana, 1 minute. First we discuss one by one. First one, trees. What is the meaning of trees? Big, tall plants are called as trees. Big, tall plants are called as trees. They have hard woody stem. And means like strong stem. Trees, they have hard woody stem. It is a strong stem. In small insects, small animals like squirrels, ఇంకా birds, small insects live in trees. Okay, Nana? Once I said trees. Trees are the big, tall plants are called as trees. Big, tall plants are called as trees. Trees, they have hard woody stem. Means like strong stem. Like this, strong stem. It is a stem. Strong stem and big and hard woody. Chala hard ga untundannamata stem adi. Next, small animals like squirrels, birds and small insects live in trees. Small insects, birds, all are they live in trees. Next types, examples of trees. You know Nana, neem tree, neem, coconut, jamun, people. These are the examples of trees. What are they, Nana? Neem plant, coconut plant, jamun plant, people plant. These are the examples of trees. Okay. Next, second one, What is the what is second type? Shrubs. Second one, shrubs. Shrubs. Shrubs plants. Some plants very smaller than trees. Shrub plants very smaller than trees. Shrub plants are very smaller than trees, and they have so many branches. They have so many branches. They have so many branches. These branches close to the ground. Branches close to the ground. Close to the ground. Once again I repeat you. Second type, types of the plants are second type, shrubs. Shrubs plants are very smaller than trees. They have so many branches. These branches are close to the ground. These branches are close to the ground. For example, examples of shrubs. Rose. Okay, rose. Mehendi, cotton, and China rose. These are the examples of shrubs. You can see Nana here. It is a shrub plant, rose. It is a rose. These branches are so many branches have rose plant, but these branches are grow to the close to the ground. These branches grow close to the ground. Next, third type, herbs. Third type, herbs. Third type, herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Herbs are very small plants. And they have soft stem. Herbs are very small plants and they have soft stem. For example, rice plant. It is a rice plant. Rice plant. This stem is so soft. Okay. For example, examples of herbs: mint, spinach, and rice. These are the examples of shrubs plants. Sorry, examples of the herbs plants. Next, fourth one, climbers. Fourth one, climbers. Climbers. Some plants, climber plants. Some plants are weak stem plants. Some plants are weak stem. Climber plants, weak stem plants. Weak stem plants. And they cannot grow straight. They cannot grow straight. they need they need support to grow. They need support to grow. These are called as climbers. Climbers are very weak stem and they cannot grow straight. They need support to grow. Like this Nana, it is a stick. Climber plant, support to need and grow straight. Support to need and grow straight like this. Not only stick Nana, walls, fences, support to grow. Okay. Next plant. Next plants of the types. So next one, last one, creepers. Last one, creepers. Okay, creepers. Fifth one, creepers. These creeper plants also very weak stemmed plant. Creeper plants also weak stem plants. Weak stem plants. These creeper plants, they grow close to the ground. They grow close along the ground. Close along the ground. They are called as creepers. Creepers plants, very weak stem plants. They grow close along the ground. These plants are called as creepers. For examples of creepers, watermelon, cucumber and bottle gourd. These are the examples of creepers. Okay. Creeper plants are grow to the close along the ground. Climber plants are the weak stem and support to grow. Money plant, bean plant, pea plant. Herbs are the very small plants. They have a soft stem. Mint, spinach, rice. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are the smaller than trees. They have close to the ground. For example, rose. Trees. Trees are the big and tall plants are called trees. Trees examples, peepal, jamun, coconut, neem. These are the examples of trees. Okay, thank you.